Yeah, a very warm welcome to you, wonderful audience. It's so wonderful to bring this tutorial to you because this is an update we've been waiting for a very long time, which is the fact that Gemini can now produce um, finished documents for you to download. In the sense, Word documents like Google Slides, PDF, Power presentation documents like Google Slides. Initially, I meant Google Docs for the Word documents, and even spreadsheet documents like Excel and Google Sheets. So, very quickly, let's just go ahead and just ask Gemini something quite simple. Generate a precise report on the 3 trending news today. Okay, so it has gone ahead to generate this. So unlike before where you could want it to create a Word document out of this, or a PowerPoint slide, it would have initially told you that it cannot do such. But right now, what we can do now is create a Google Doc, PDF, and Word document from the above report. Let's just like I was saying, it couldn't directly generate these documents from the reports you get from it previously, but thanks to this update, which was more or less will I say late, because we really were expecting this for a while, it can now generate such reports which you can download directly. Okay, so you can see the reports here. So this is the Google Docs report. It's generated. Here it is. You can choose to edit it if you wish. If you have anything to change, you can choose to open it in your desktop or your Google Chrome browser, and if you wish to really update it very well or edit it very well, because it will ask you to use the app if you don't have the app, if you want to edit it directly. But you can just simply change it to desktop mode to be able to edit it as you wish. So to convert this to desktop, and you can then go ahead to edit it as you wish. And if you wish to download it, you could go ahead to download it as a Word document, as a PDF, or what have you. But there will not be need to go through the stress of downloading it as a PDF, because you already have the PDF format previously. So you can go ahead and download it as a Microsoft Word document, which I've just done now. So the first option of Microsoft Word document, you could go ahead and download it. It will be starting in the background. I want to go back to our Gemini to see the other options it produced. So this is the PDF option it produced. Once you tap it, it's already downloaded, so you can use any of your viewers that you have, let's say WPS Office for instance, to view it. So you just have it directly on your local device. So that's basically it. So this is for Word documents. Let's go to telling it to generate a PowerPoint document. So we can now go ahead and say generate a PowerPoint Google slide document. All right, so let's get to see what it will produce for us. So there we have it. You can see that it's ready. Now if we press open, so yeah, so it's open now. You can see that it has generated this slide, 13 slides, as you see over there at the top left. So you can slide and go from one slide to another. Okay, just generates a decently simple slide. All right, so there it is. Now you can choose to export it to slides. You can choose to download it directly as a PDF PowerPoint when you press that download button which I've just done, and and you can also choose to export to slides. So pressing the download button directly downloads it as a PDF, as a PowerPoint, like a slide PDF, just as you see now. So this file downloaded is the PDF, okay, version that it downloads, which it has done here, and you will see the PDF in its PDF form. But the one I just exported to slides, will export it to Google Slides, so that you can choose to download it as a PowerPoint document, which is PPT, the raw PPT file. So that's what that one can do to you. When you press export to PD to slides, it will open up Google Slides just as it did for the Google Docs, and you have the option to press file and download, as a PPT, that's in its raw form. Okay, you also have the option to share it to whichever network you wish to. Okay, you wish to share it. Okay, so that's pretty decent. Now, having done this, I want us to go back to our Gemini and finally produce the Excel format. So we can now come here and say generate the XLS file. That XLS is the format for Excel. All right. And voila, there we have it. Very, very needed update. We have the Excel file just here now. So if I tap it, it's already opening it on the device, and there we have it. That's the Excel file we have. So yeah, it's really cool. You can also export this as a Google Sheets if you wish it to. And yeah, that's it.